Here's a quick tour around the cover to show you some features the skipper put on it. She put tie downs on the bow and the stern, and then every 3 feet or so made a little extra pocket for a drawstring webbing. You need to get UV webbing and UV tie downs and UV thread and UV fabric, or else you'll be redoing all of this in about a year. So like we've got a piece of webbing back here that we probably didn't seal it good enough, so it just frayed, came out. But there's 2 of them. We like to put our drawstring in the back, so that if we're ever trailering this down the road, this is in the stern and not on the bow flapping around up there. It can flap around back here. Nice tight drawstring. She reinforced it over the oar locks, and this base umbrella, this regular umbrella, not good for trailering unless you reinforce areas where you have hard points. Come in and put some type of felt backed material, or even a couple more layers of umbrella, and then you can trailer. Otherwise, if you trailer with it is right now, single layer, you're going to get chafe, and it's going to wear right through. We've got a little ridge pole. Our sprit is used as our ridge pole right down the center line to make a little bit of tent shape, so the water will shed off and not pool. This fabric's we've had it long enough that we need to get the spray that you put on that kind of brings back a little more of the water repellency. And our covers, we like for them to be water repellent or resistant, but not what you'd call waterproof. Let's see if I can sneak this in here without any too much objection from other boats and post. If you get it waterproof, not only will it keep water out, it will keep water in. So the nicely varnished pieces that we have inside the boat will be nice and mildewed. If any type of water moisture condensation, you think, heating and cooling, there's a 80, 90, 98% humidity in the air here in Florida, so you can't keep the water out, but you can keep it in, is what our marine carpenter buddy told us. But we're gonna go hide indoors for a while this storm goes away. Y'all have a good one.